determines the image of Kenya to the world.
Tuangazie masuala ya elimu. Wakuu wa vyuo vikuu vya umma wamepinga taarifa kwamba wamekuwa wakikiuka amri ya serikali na kuwalazimisha wanafunzi kulipa karo kabla ya kusajiliwa chuoni. Kwenye kikao na wanahabari, mwenyekiti wa wakuu wa vyuo vikuu vya umma Profesa Daniel Mugendi amesema fedha tu wanazoitishwa wanafunzi ni ada za huduma muhimu kama vile za malazi na wala si karo. Aidha, wanafunzi wote waliolipa kiwango chochote cha karo watarejeshewa.
Coming now, we are not asking them to pay any tuition fees, as we have said, because we don't know how they will be categorized. It's until they are categorized that we will know who will belong to which category. Now, you have asked about other changes. No, we are not changing any administrative changes. The figure that we gave as tuition fee is inclusive of all those other changes that we used to charge in yesteryears. So for the first years that are coming, there is nothing like a library fee, internet fee, computer fee, registration fee. There is nothing like that. You might find that in the second, that in the continuing student, because they are following their own model. So if there is any parent that has paid, they must have paid that out of their own will, without being forced. And therefore, what will happen is then when the categorization comes and maybe they will not be required to pay, then the university will be able to refund. But for now, there's no university that is requesting any parent to pay. It's like if I have a child now going to